Can you take just $500 and grow it to $25,000 in just 1 month? Is it possible without even breaking the bank? Or by being limited by PDT trading rules? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this new series. And I'm going to be answering that burning question: how do I trade every single day without getting hit by the PDT rule? The answer is by using an all-cash account with T+1 settlement. If you're struggling with a small account and you're tired of feeling stuck because of the pattern day trading rule, stick with me because you're going to want to see how all of this works. Welcome to day one of my $500 to $25,000 small account challenge. I'll be showing you how to grow a small day trading account using an all cash account, taking one trade a day and using an asymmetric compounding strategy. This isn't just a challenge, it's a blueprint for anyone with a small account to break free from that PDT rule and start growing their capital fast. What's the key? It's trading with an all-cash account. Let me explain why using an all-cash account is a game changer. When you're trading with a margin account under $25,000, you're bound by that PDT rule, which limits you to just 3 trades per 5 business days. And for most small account traders, that feels like being in prison. But with an all-cash account, you don't have to worry about those PDT restrictions. And here's the best part. My broker, which is Schwab, has a T+1 settlement. And what that means is all the cash from today's trade will be settled by the next business day. This allows me to use 100% of my account balance for one trade each day, compounding the profits without any restrictions whatsoever. So this approach is perfect for small accounts because it avoids the trap of overtrading. It focuses on high quality setups, and I'm able to use all of my capital every day, maximizing profit potentials and gains. It lets me grow my account very quickly with an asymmetric compounding strategy. And by using this method, I can trade smart, stay disciplined, and build momentum with every profitable trade. Now let's talk about the secret in the sauce of this challenge, which is asymmetric compounding. Here's how it works. I usually aim to grow my account by 20% with each trade, but by using the amazing AI scanner and our amazing Discord channel where all of the AI smart alerts are posted every day, I usually grow my account by at least 45 to 50% on each trade. And based on my historical trading, about 2 or 3 times per month on average, and sometimes more, the profits will be considerably higher. And instead of withdrawing my profits or letting them sit idle, I reinvest everything into the next trade. Over 30 days, these small account gains snowball into massive account growth. And guys, here's the mindset that you absolutely must have locked into your brain, no matter what size account you're working with. It's not about hitting home runs every single time. It's about steady progress every day. And it's about risk management and letting the power of compounding work its magic. All right, let's dive into today's trade. And also, I want to recap the progress that I made from my very first trade in this small account challenge. And that trade was Friday. This is Monday, January 6th. Now, on Friday, I actually did do a video on Friday's trade on NITO, N-I-T-O. But since that video was actually a strategy video, in this video, I'll briefly cover where that trade put my available capital for today's trade. And if you want to get all the nitty-gritty details on that trade from Friday, you can go and watch Friday's video. So since Friday's trade was my first trade in this small account series, I only had $500 available capital to work with. So I was able to buy 229 shares at my entry price of $2.18. I sold all of my shares at $3.34 for a profit of $265.64. which brought my account balance to $765.64. So today, $765 was my available capital for my trade today on FUBO, F-U-B-O. And at 6:11 a.m. this morning, my AI momentum scanner alert flagged Fubo in our Discord channel. So here's what I liked about Fubo and the reason that I decided to trade it. The Discord alert came in right after it broke through an important technical level on the daily chart, which was this thick technical level. The Discord alert let us know that Fubo is a higher float stock, but was moving on a strong news catalyst and had high short interest. This was all we needed for a perfect short squeeze setup. After it broke through the $2.15 technical level, it then hit the next target of $2.44, and it started to treat that $2.44 as a little bit of resistance. So my game plan was to allow price to prove $2.44 as support by showing a volume burst above $2.44. And I got that set up at 6:42 a.m. my time, giving me an entry of $2.45. My stop loss was $2.44, and my initial minimum target was $3.60. But if it held $3.60, I would stay with the trade and monitor how it treated each of these levels, these horizontal smart levels all the way up. Now, these levels are the lines that my smart target tool plots on my chart for me, so I can see them all ahead of time before I enter the trade. So my plan was to allow price to prove each of these white horizontal smart target levels of $3.60, $3.80, $4.20, and $4.70. And as you can see, price held each of these levels until it reached $4.70. And it tagged that $4.70 5 times. And each time it hit it, it was on lower and lower volume. So that's a signal to sell. And I sold all 312 shares on this fourth hit of that $4.70. And that paid me a whopping $2.25 per share, which was a total of $702 profit. So today's 26-minute trade almost doubled my starting balance for the day, making an over 91% profit gain for me in just 26 minutes, bringing my total account balance from $500 to an impressive $1,467.64 in just 2 trades so far in this small account challenge. And this, guys, is the amazing power of asymmetric compounding. This is the way to grow a small account in the shortest amount of time with the least amount of risk. And this is the exact strategy that I teach my pro traders, paired with these must-have pro trader tools. Today was a perfect example of why sticking to a plan really matters. Whether I win or lose, the focus is on learning and compounding my gains over time. It's about playing the long game with my account balance. It's not about chasing quick wins. So to pull off this challenge, I'm using a few critical tools designed specifically for this asymmetric compounding strategy. The AI Momentum Scanner, which helps me find high probability setups in seconds before they make the big profit moves. The Risk Management Calculator, which ensures I never risk more than I can afford to lose and shows me in advance if the trade will be favorable or not, eliminating all the guesswork. Our ProtTraders Smart Target tool that automatically plots these critical targets on our charts for us. These lines show us in advance where price will react or consolidate or reverse, so that we know exactly where to take profits and how much profit we'll make on the trade, long before we even click the buy button. Of course, the ProtTraders Discord channel with the AI Smart Alerts. And this is where we get those live updates and trade alerts and trade setups with my trading community. These tools aren't just nice to have, they're game changers. If you're trading without them, then you're making it harder on yourself than it needs to be. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and click subscribe to this channel for more trading education and strategies that can transform your results. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, becoming one of the most profitable traders and bring your win rate into the 90 to 95% range, Then join my ProtTraders mentoring program. As a pro trader, you'll get access to all of my powerful tools, like the Smart Target system that I have developed, the predictive targeting tool, and exclusive training on how to predict targets for stocks making new highs and IPOs that have absolutely no historical data whatsoever. You'll also have full access to all of the AI scanners, the live news broadcasts, the one-on-one trend trading mentoring from me personally, and above all, our amazing Discord channel. In the Discord, you'll get real-time trade alerts from our AI momentum scanner. You'll get trade plans. You'll get to join in where we deep dive on strategies, setups, trading tips from real traders who are growing their accounts every day. So click the link in the description below or go straight to MomentumStockTraders.com. And thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. And remember, trading isn't about luck. It's about having a proven system and staying disciplined and managing your risk with the right tools and strategies so you can achieve your trading goals quickly and build consistent success. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and remember, always only buy at support. That's all for this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.